This is the Four Winds car park. It was Foggintor School at one point, and it's the start of the walk up to Great Mis Tor. And behind me we have King's Tor somewhere as well, which is a lovely place. So we're on our way to Great Mis Tor from the Four Winds car park, and we're going to camp overnight there. So a few little facts about Great Mis Tor. It's right on the edge of the MOD training zone, and to date several people have been injured and killed by munitions that have been left around. And also just over there we have Dartmoor prison. So, but the great thing is that you don't have to worry about escaped murderers, because they're all sex crime inmates. So it's not so bad really, isn't it? A little bit of a panorama opening up. So we've got King's Tor down there. This lump of rocks is Little Mis Tor. On the horizon there we have Little Staple, Great Staple and Ruse Tors. St Michael's at Brent. You probably can't see on the camera. That's where we're going tonight. Great Mis Tor. Seems to be a fair few people coming up here tonight. So here we are at the top, Great Mis Tor. Great Staple Tor down there. So there we go. Views all around. I think we're going to set the tents up just there. A little bit sheltered. We decided to pitch here in the vain hope of some kind of a sunrise. A few people up here at Great Mis Tor. It's one of the higher places on Dartmoor. I think it's probably the highest place, southern Dartmoor, at 530 something metres, so a little over 1700 feet up here. Behind William's tent there is an army training range, and there's a light on top of the tor that goes red when they start doing stuff. Going to the tent, so trying to get everything organised there. Got various bottles of water and beer and whiskey, and my sleeping compartment in there. Some kind of army related hut down there in my morning bathroom, and you can just see our tents up there, the tor behind. Oh, so we're now up in the clouds. This is wonderful. Down here is another couple of guys. Just had a beer with them, nice chaps. And here is the top of the tor, and that's the light I believe goes red when they're about to fire on the firing range. And the traditional shoe holding the gas stove. And here's the final wholesome product: chicken tikka with rice and salmon and broccoli pasta, dehydrated at 535 meters altitude in the clouds. To be honest, I picked Great Mis Tor because of the wonderful views you get across the whole of South Dartmoor all the way out to Plymouth. However, since we got here, obviously the fog has rolled in, and yeah, there's no views at all. It's just a complete whiteout. So we've kind of retired early to our tents. Vague hope there'll be some kind of a sunrise, but I think this fog's going to carry on into the morning. I did walk down a little way into the valley and the fog is not there, so we are literally up in the clouds, but not a lot I can do about that. I can't really move mountains, never mind. Well, good morning. Yeah, so bit of a mixed sleep. Didn't get to sleep till very, very late, but slept okay after that. Got woken up by the army firing their guns, which is always interesting. So yeah, just going to basically get some chalky porridge on and then start packing away. Still very foggy out there though. There go the army with their big rucksacks and their big guns. Even spoke to one of them a few minutes ago. There we go. Hashtag leave no trace.
What about my tent?
Ah. I got this. Ta-da! And of course, leave no trace. Right, let's get back down to the car. Do you reckon we'll be below the cloud, Will? We'll soon see. Let's get down from here. Well, I hope you got some enjoyment from that really boring video. I've had a really good time, but I've realised how crap this is on video. I don't know, what can I show you? There's the car park. Behind me is the clouds that we were camping in. Somewhere over there is Great Staple Tor. I'm just going to find somewhere to get a nice coffee. Look, if you aren't completely bored by this, maybe give the video a like, but to be honest with you, I'm not sure why you watched this far. Anyway, I've been Headley, and I don't know, like, subscribe and all the rest of it, and hopefully the next one will be a bit more exciting.